Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today I'm gonna be doing a cloud makeup. Primavera. I'm really sorry if I get like the shades pronounced wrong, or as well as the brushes that I have been using. For the Primavera, I'm going to be applying on the lid, and I am also going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm going to be taking the Real Gar and just going to be applying on my crease. I'm going to be taking the burnt orange and just blending the area between my lid and the crease. The next shade that I'm going to be using is the Tempera, and just going to be applying it through underneath my brows and not through the eyeshadow on my crease and the lid. And now I'm going to be taking the Cypress or Cypress Umber shade, which is I'm going to be applying into the lid and not fully into the lid, and just going like straight outer V to the half of my crease. Now once again, I'm just going to be taking the burnt orange and just by applying on the lid, on the crease. And the next is I'm going to be applying the Tempera again, just to even out, same as the burnt orange. I'm almost done, and I'm going to be putting the next shade, which is the Love Letter, and just going to be applying on my lower lash line. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is to apply eyeliner. And now I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes and my lower eyelash. So this is the final look so far on my eye, where it's not very like blurred, because throughout the video it was really blurry a little bit. I apologize again for that. Now for the clouds, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume Number 1. And I'm going to be taking on different colors and separate colors that I can be using for the clouds. I mixed some of the colors to get a different color so that I could make the clouds really colorful. The brush that I'm going to be using is a small blender brush so that it would be easy to make a shape like cloud. Now for the lipstick, I'm just going to be using this cute little MAC lipstick. It's a nude. It's like kind of a nude color, and it's like a dark nude color. And this is the final look of the overall cloud makeup. I hope you enjoyed this cloud makeup that I have done. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Bye guys!